guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Sorry we've been away for a bit, but we're back now. And I lost a bet, so I had to do a recipe with tater tots. And instead of using the little ones, I used the big hash brown tater patties. So we're calling this tater patty treat. And as you can see, we have the tater patties like halfway cooked and cut up. Renee, cut those up.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What should we do next?
Now, the next ingredient is half the sour cream.
Okay. Got sour cream right here. Alright, so we've added sour cream to our potatoes. Always a good combination. What should we do next?
You know those cheese puffs that I love so much?
Yep.
We have a bowl here that we crushed a few in. So you're gonna
Alright. We should add that to the top?
Yep.
All of it?
All of it, yep.
Alright. Alright, that's on. We've got potatoes, sour cream, and cheese. What's
Okay.
not to love? What should we do next?
Now we're gonna do the 2 cans of cream of mushroom.
Alright, there it is, looking good. What's next?
Next is the rest of the sour cream.
Alright. Alright, there it is, looking good. Alright, 2 cans of cream of broccoli on. What should we do next?
Bet you can guess.
The cheddar cheese?
Nope, the green
The
beans.
green beans. Alright, we will add a can of green beans.
Just for those who don't know, green beans are my dad's favorite.
Alright, green beans are on, and now we're just going to top it off with a light dusting of cheddar cheese. Alright, there it is. How do we think it came out?
Renee Buddy, if that's what you call a light dusting of cheddar cheese, I hate to see what full blown looks like. But cheddar cheese is cheddar cheese, and you can never have enough. Right?
Yeah. Should we get it in the oven?
Oh, yes.
What did we preheat that to again?
We preheated it to 375, I believe.
Alright. And how long should we cook it for?
We are gonna cook that for 25 minutes.
Alright. Alright, it's done. We've let it cool for a few minutes. And now Robert is going to taste it.
Crystal, it's really good.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.